In this video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Bitvavo. And this is necessary in order to transfer crypto between Bitvavo and other wallets, so it is highly recommendable to enable this. So I'm going to show you how you do this. So first of all, go to your browser on your PC, because this is the most convenient way to enable it, and after you can just use it on your phone. So hover over to your name and then click on Security to get this screen. And in this screen, you can click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. So let's click on this. And in here, you need to enter your password and be sure that you have an authenticator app installed on your mobile device. And this can be any authenticator app you like. It can be Google Authenticator, Authy, or you can use Microsoft Authenticator. You can basically use any, but please make sure that you have one installed before you start with this process. So I'm going to enter my password and then I will be back. So in here you will see a QR code, and go ahead and scan this QR code with your Authenticator app and then type in the code down below. And after you have done that, you will see a recovery code down here, and I've just blurred it for security reasons, but please make sure that you store this code somewhere safe, so in a locked note or something that no one can access, because this can be really important when you have trouble with your account. So store that and then click this checkbox and then click on continue. And after you've done that, you see that your two-factor authentication is enabled, and now you can click on continue. And now you have to log in with your account again. When you log in, you need to enter the two-factor authentication code with your Authenticator app that you just used. And if you have followed every step, then you will see in your security tab that your two-factor authentication is now enabled. And that is how you do it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.